and you kept that for 10 years, the minimum return, do you think it's positive? Do you think? Any day? Yes. It is positive. It is 6%. The minimum is 6%. Okay? The maximum I don't remember, but the minimum is 6. The average is much lower than 17%. That is a one-time investment. Any day you made, you just kept it for 10 years. Okay? So, how long you stay in the market is a very important way to make money. In fact, why have we chosen 10 years? Because in 8 years there have been periods on which you would have made negative returns. Okay, but in 10 years there is not a single period where you made negative returns. Whether one-time investment or whether a systematic investment. But systematic investment in over long periods of time invariably gives much better return than just one-time investment and staying invested. Why? Why is that? Why is that?
Because up and down in the market, automatically create more number of units. What you are doing?
Absolutely. What it does is that it equates your, you tend to get more units when the market is down, and you tend to get less units when the market is up. Okay, and this is a proven, this is data, and this is nifty. All good managed funds have given returns far in excess of that. So if you look at something like a Franklin India Blue Chip or a lot of others, the well managed ones, okay, there the minimum return has been 14%. Franklin India Blue Chip, which has been around since Jan 94, there at 10-year SIP the minimum return is 14% versus the 9% here, right? What this tells us is कि don't try to time, ये सस्ता खरीदो महंगा बेचो, it can make money, ऐसा नहीं है, पर दो बार बनाएंगे, तीसरी बार इतना गवाएंगे कि वो जो दो बार बनाया था वो सारा चला जाएगा। एंड शेयर का हम ध्यान रख सकते हैं,
provided you follow it meticulously and keep your file churning along with the market of one thing, whether rainfall is okay, government is okay, there is no foreign attack at the India,
right?
that these things govern the whole thing of the market.
Okay, so what he is saying is आपको पता होना चाहिए सरकार अच्छी है, कोई ने वॉर नहीं किया है, मुझे नहीं पता था कि भगवान एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, ये कैसे पता हो सकता है सर? किसी को नहीं पता हो सकता, और किसी ने मतलब कोई भी नहीं बनाया सर, किसी ने नहीं बनाया, किसी ने नहीं बनाए, ट्रेड करके नहीं बनाए। जो भी मेजर इन्वेस्टर्स हैं जिन्होंने भी पैसे बनाए हैं सबने लॉन्ग टर्म होल्डिंग करके पैसे बनाए, किसी ने भी ट्रेडिंग करके आज तक पैसे नहीं बनाए, लॉन्ग टर्म कंसिस्टेंटली पैसे नहीं बनाए। The only sure shot, so is this guaranteed? Would you say this is guaranteed? Would you say this is guaranteed? 10 साल तक सिप करिए निफ्टी में, would you say it is guaranteed?
It is not guaranteed, 99% I understand it is guaranteed.
So do other people agree? Do you agree, sir? ये डेटा सही है.
It is guaranteed.
It is guaranteed.
Minimum guarantee will be there.
Minimum guarantee दे कोई नहीं रहा है.
There is some. There will not be loss.
दे कोई नहीं. Nobody is allowed to give you a guarantee.
There will not be loss.
There will not be loss. How many people agree with that statement? How many people agree? It is reasonably guaranteed. Okay? This returns, right? तो फिर ज़्यादा लोग करते क्यों? How many people do SIPs in mutual funds? Okay? ज़्यादा लोग क्यों नहीं करते? और what percentage of your money you do through SIPs in mutual fund? क्यों नहीं करते?
It is perceived as a cost on a daily monthly budget.
Cost.
I mean, it's a liability. On a monthly budget, it's a liability.
और जब मैं 1 लाख का शेयर खरीदता हूँ वो लायबिलिटी नहीं है, 10,000 रुपए हर महीने डालता हूँ वो लायबिलिटी है, ऐसे बोल रहे हो?
I don't know.
Okay.
It's long term.
So what you are saying is एक खर्चा लगता है, वो इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं लगता है, okay?
I'm saying it is perceived.
It is, हाँ इसीलिए नहीं हो रहा है. Perception is reality, sir. Okay? तो सबसे बड़ी चीज है कि जब आप सिप के द्वारा पैसे बनाते हो तो उसके बारे में आप ड्रिंक के ऊपर अपने दोस्त को बोल नहीं सकते। तुझे पता है मैंने ना 1 लाख में खरीदा, 5 लाख में बेचा 2 महीने के अंदर। तुझे क्या पता है? मुझे पता है, ठीक है। अरे सिप पे ना मैंने 45% रिटर्न लिया है, ओके। ड्रिंक पे बोल सकते हैं? इट इज नॉट, मजा नहीं है। सो मेकिंग मनी थ्रू सिप इज boring. It is bloody boring. Okay, and a very sexist analogy, with due respects to the 2-3 ladies in the audience. Okay, is making money through sips is like a wife, very steady, very dependable, will be there when you need, but not sexy. Right?
If you are lucky, you will have a sexy wife also.
So I think making wealth through SIP is boring and non-sexy. That is one. Tell me, so lots of people said they invest in shares. आपके पास कोई शेयर था, आपने बेच दिया, सारा माल निकाल लिया, ओके। उसके बाद में भी उस शेयर का भाव देखते रहते हैं? देखता है कोई? देखते हैं। क्यों देखते हैं सर? बेच दिया शेयर तो क्यों देखा फिर? क्यों देखा? क्या फर्क पड़ता है सर? आपने तो बेच दिया, बाद में भाव क्यों देख रहे हैं? Why is that important? You've already taken the decision now. अब कुछ कर सकते हो तो फिर क्यों देख रहे हो? भाव क्यों देख रहे हो? There is a lesson in that. Please think about it. All of us do it. Please think about it. Why we do it?
Mr. Modi, whether I will not consider vendor in this way, and I will never do it. One thing. Second thing, if the market, there are 4 things I have already told. Whether government stability, there is no foreign, and what.
Because man is a social, he craves acceptance. Okay? कि मैंने बेचा, does the market agree with me? Okay? गिर जाता तो बहुत खुशी होती, देखा मैंने बेच दिया, सारे बेवकूफ है सब लोग। ओके, और जब बढ़ जाता है यार सस्ते में बेच दिया, राइट? नाउ देयर इज अ लेसन इन दैट। If you don't get out of that trap, this is boring. आप देख भी नहीं रहे हो, आपका कोई कंट्रोल भी नहीं है, आप तो कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे हो, फंड मैनेजर कर रहा है। इनफैक्ट निफ्टी फंड में तो कोई फंड मैनेजर भी नहीं है, कंप्यूटर कर रहा है, ठीक है। तो बोरिंग है, मतलब वही रोज का दाल चावल है ये, लेकिन दाल चावल से हमारी जिंदगी चलती है। इनफैक्ट चलती नहीं है, बहुत जोरों में दौड़ती है, बट it remains boring. Nothing stops it from being boring. That is one of the biggest reasons why people don't do SIPs. There is one other reason. Can you guess what that is? Can you guess what that is?
Because we are not direct answering to our needs and future plans. That is the one condition.
Sorry, समझ में नहीं आया सर।
Now I am doing SIP.
हाँ।
It is requiring that my money should grow. When the market is bad, still the manager is purchasing.
हाँ।
When it is higher, it is there. But the unit cost becomes less.
Right.
Number of SIPs are more. So my multiplier goes immediately with the passage of time. Inflation is there. It does not.
मेरा पैसा रिटर्न नहीं आ रहा है।
लेकिन what the manager is doing to the SIP, average of everything is good, and whatever the return will go, in the long run it will be more. If you keep it money, it will go more than 17 to 18, even 20%.
वो तो हमने देखा कि अगर हम 10 साल रखते हैं तो पैसा बनता है, ओके। लेकिन लोग बीच में कितने लोगों ने सिर्फ बीच में बंद कर दिया जब मार्केट गिरा था, बंद कर दिया, राइट? ओके, तो दैट इज द बिग प्रॉब्लम। द बिग प्रॉब्लम इज इफ यू लुक, वी सॉ दैट इन्वेस्टर 1, राइट? उसने जनवरी 95 से शुरू किया, जनवरी 2005 में खत्म किया, 12 लाख का 22 लाख बना। इन जून ऑफ when he started in Jan of 95, in June of 2003, 102 महीने के बाद, 8.5 साल के बाद उसने इन्वेस्ट कितना किया था 102 महीने के बाद? 10,20,000। उसकी वैल्यू कितनी थी? 9,58,000। ये अर्जुनता आगे बोलते रहता है सिप करो सिप करो सिप करो, लॉन्ग टर्म करो, पैसे बनते हैं। 8.5 साल तो कर दिया उसने, उसमें तो पैसे वो घट गए उसके। 10,20,000 किए थे, 9,58 हो गए। लेकिन अगर if he had kept the faith, investor 1 kept the faith, उसने और 18 महीने 1,80,000 डाले और उसके 12 लाख का कितना हुआ? 22.5 लाख, 958 plus 180 that he put in, but that became 22 lakh. That was not the minimum. The minimum happened much later. So the issue with the SIP, why most people stop is उसके in between जो volatility, और वो होगी ही, that is the stability comes by extending the period. वो उसके बीच की volatility अगर हम यूज नहीं कर पाएंगे, अगर हम डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे, पहले छोड़ देंगे, आपने छोड़ दिया,
I
राइट?
have a question here.
Yes.
Does history tell us that some SIPs have been closed down?
Some SIPs have been closed down as in?
Some mutual funds have been closed down, they have gone.
Yes. Yes,
So
of
how do
course.
we know of that?
So that is a lovely question. What he is saying is कि मैंने जिस स्कीम में किया वो स्कीम ही बंद हो गई, या वो स्कीम बैडली परफॉर्मिंग है। ये हिस्ट्री किसकी थी? ये निफ्टी की थी। तो निफ्टी का तो निफ्टी इज द इंडेक्स, वो तो बंद नहीं होगा, करेक्ट? निफ्टी इज द इंडेक्स। तो ही रेज्ड अ वेरी वैलिड पॉइंट। हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू आंसर कि मेरी स्कीम ही बंद हो गई, मैं सिप करूं कैसे?
Because you have not studied in which scheme they are.
सर स्कीम स्टडी किया ना उन्होंने, डाला स्कीम, उस टाइम स्टडी किया। देयर वाज,
It means-
सो लेट मी गिव यू एन एग्जांपल, लेट मी गिव यू एन
Franklin
एग्जांपल।
is doing well today.
Huh?
Franklin, whatever example you take.
Hmm.
Tomorrow if it closes down, what do we
It's
do?
a lovely example. I'll give you a live example. Okay, although the scheme continues. Okay, there is this JM Financial. There was a particular scheme, and this is also fairly old scheme, right? And that scheme has done horribly. It would not have given returns like this. What it tells you is that yes, you should continue doing SIPs, but other, so best way, the risk-free way, do it in the index. वहाँ पे कोई फंड मैनेजर नहीं है। How does a index fund work? जो भी इंडेक्स में 50 स्क्रिप्ट्स है उसी प्रोपोर्शन में वो करता है। तो कोई फंड मैनेजर डिसाइड नहीं करता, आपको स्कीम स्टडी करने की जरूरत नहीं है। लेकिन फंड मैन उसमें आपको रिस्क बहुत कम है। लेकिन हमने क्या सीखा? ज्यादा रिटर्न चाहिए तो ज्यादा रिस्क लेनी पड़ेगी। तो देन यू हैव पीपल लाइक अस, ओके, you have people like us, take advice. There are people who track. Don't stop your SIP, switch it, switch your money, don't stop your SIP. अगर आपका फंड परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहा, आपकी स्कीम परफॉर्म नहीं कर रही, switch it, don't stop it.
What is a non-performance period?
Sorry?
Suppose a fund is doing well and it starts nosediving.
Right.
So how long should we keep the
So nose diving in relationship to what? नेगेटिव तो होगा ही, निफ्टी भी नेगेटिव तो हुआ, ओके? when I am saying non performance, it means in relation to the index. अगर इंडेक्स नेगेटिव होगा तो स्कीम भी नेगेटिव होगी सर, लॉस तो होगा।
to my purchase value?
ये हुआ ना, मैंने आपको अभी तो एग्जांपल दिया। 8.5 साल के बाद भी निफ्टी में भी 8.5 साल के बाद नेगेटिव था। 10,20,000 इन्वेस्ट किया था, 9,58,000 वैल्यू रह गई थी। So that you have to keep the faith. मार्केट हाई है और आपकी स्कीम लो है, then you should be worried.
Because one thing, in 10 years, whatever you invested,
Right.
if you are going up and down, you were getting in the high time, when it was high, you were getting good dividend. So average will not be like whatever we have got here.
This is data.
That I am giving you, the dividend we get, right?
This is on growth scheme.
Approach.
This is on growth scheme. We have taken it on the growth scheme. And he is right. In the fund you also get dividend. So in fact so it's a technical point. We will talk about a technical point later, sir. I think the key principle is loss तो होगा sir. अगर आपका नॉन परफॉर्मेंस का क्राइटेरिया लॉस है तो होगा ही, और अगर वो आप नहीं कर सकते तो इस स्कीम में मत जाइए। What you should be worried about is if your scheme is making a loss while the index is making a profit, then you should be worried.
Then what is to be done?
Sorry?
In this case, what is to be done?
So there are many people who study this for a living. Okay? So the best you can do, suppose you don't want to hire professional people. There are so many websites that give you fund rankings. Okay, value research है, money control है, कई websites है. They give star ratings. Pick up large caps, pick up say 5 star, इकरा का वो जो भी उनका होता है. किसी में 5 star best होता है, किसी में number 1, 2, 3 rank best होता है. Stick to the best rank. और उन्होंने किसी को डाउनग्रेड कर दिया तो उसमें सिर्फ बंद कर दीजिए, जिसने उसको उसी कैटेगरी में जिसका हाई है उसमें चालू कर दीजिए.
Whatever money has been invested in that sale.
हाँ, अगर बहुत ज्यादा डाउनग्रेड हो गया, so you can set rules. See, that is what we advise you. Okay, you set rules. अगर एक from rank 1 he drops to rank 4, पैसे भी निकाल के डाल दीजिए. या rank 1 से rank 2 हुआ तो आगे के पैसे मत लगाइए. All those are things that if you want to do on your own, you can look at following those websites, or you can hire professional advisors, people like us. I think the key lesson, even if you take just one lesson from here, okay, is that boring plus predictable is equal to healthy. Do you agree?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
He's got experience, so he agrees. Okay, others don't? No? Not really? Yeah? Not sunk in. Tell me the doubt. Why hasn't it sunk in? You have doubts on the data?
What is the predictable reference to context here? Means the history?
History, yes. History over a long period of time, repeated 107 times. Repeated 107 times, sir.
It's boring when you're continuously thinking about it. And what you're thinking about it. And what you're thinking is happening. So it's predictable.
It has happened in the past.
Yeah.
That is no guarantee. I mean, that's a standard disclaimer at the bottom. No, past performance is not a guarantee of the future. But consistent past performance for a long period of time, okay, is logically is a good enough indicator. Is a very decent indicator.